Brian Bowersock, the Auto Man here. Today we're talking about spark plugs in your vehicle and how important it is to change them out when recommended. Most spark plugs these days last up to about 90 to 100,000 miles on a vehicle. So you can get quite a bit of mileage out of them. Although by that point, they tend to be quite worn out. We do have some examples of different spark plugs. Most plugs these days are either iridium or double platinum, which allows them to wear for an extended period of time. If you don't change the spark plugs out on your vehicle, you can often end up with drivability problems that can cause other issues such as raw fuel getting into the exhaust, catalyst damage over time, turning into a lot more expensive repairs. So doing this preventive maintenance will prevent from having to do other costly repairs. One of the other things that can also cause extreme failures or more expensive failures is coil failures, which often happens when spark plugs are not replaced in a timely manner, overstressing the coils and causing them to fail. These days, ignition systems tend to have one coil per spark plug, whereas in the older days we had spark plug wires. Keeping your ignition system in good working order will prevent you from damaging other components on the vehicle, will keep your vehicle running well, keep your fuel mileage up, and in good shape. I'm Brian Bowersock.
Join the Auto Man next Friday during News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW. Plus, listen to Auto Talk Radio Saturday mornings at 7 on the AM 760 KFMB.